Storms are becoming more frequent and severe than ever before, increasing the pressure on utilities to respond more effectively. Modern utilities demand a targeted, accurate, and actionable approach for every step of the storm cycle. Current planning tools don't consider important factors like infrastructure and asset conditions, leaving you with inaccurate predictions, wasted resources, and inefficient restoration plans that are often more costly and less effective. That's why eSource created GridInform Storm Insight, a secure web-based application purpose-built for utilities to respond to weather events effectively. GridInform Storm Insight combines forecasting and restoration into a single platform tailored to your utility, featuring targeted intelligence, accurate forecasts, and actionable plans specific to your service area. With fully configurable views, you can see exactly what you need, from wind gusts and rainfall to the number of incidents and customers affected. This more complete picture can increase your prediction accuracy by up to 30% and reduce restoration costs by 25%. GridInform Storm Insight has also helped users restore power to 95% of customers within 24 hours of a storm. With our solution, you can enhance your resource planning before, during, and after every storm. Before the storm, our machine learning models combine your utility data with third-party data to create a predictive model, forecasting every what, where, and when you need to make smarter decisions. During the storm, you can create scenario plans to prepare for every possibility. Plans can be modified in real time as the storm evolves. After the storm, our real-time insights allow you to track and adjust restoration progress and coordination efforts. Our solution is proven to power better safety, reliability, and spending. To learn how GridInform Storm Insight can prepare you for the storms ahead, go to esource.com. eSource. We know utilities.